ሰላም ሁላችሁም እንደምናችሁ እንኳን ወደዚህ ቻናል በደህና መጣችሁ። Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to this channel. In this Amharic Alphabet Introduction Part 2 video, we'll see the way how the Amharic letters are arranged and organized. And knowing this will make beginners be able to read the Amharic letters very easily. So without further ado, let's get to it. The Amharic letters are arranged in a tabular format. This table has 34 rows and 7 columns, and that makes 238 cells in the table. So it is in these cells that the Amharic letters or characters are put in an organized way. Now, before we continue our lesson in this video, let's remember one important thing about the Amharic letters from the first introduction part video, which is the fact that each and every single one of the Amharic letters represent a single or one sounds. And the arrangement of the Amharic alphabet depends on the formation of these single or one sounds. Now, to simply understand the formation of these single sounds, we'll use the letters of the English alphabet to assist us in this learning process. Each of the rows and columns of the Amharic alphabetic table have a single or combined English letters they take with them as their main letters. So the single sounds are simply formed by combining these English letters that are taken as main letters both by each of the rows and columns of this table. And being able to read the Amharic letters or characters mainly depends on knowing what English letters the rows and columns of this Amharic alphabetic table take with them as their main letters. With that being said, let's see with one example the formation of these single sounds. Let's take one row from the alphabetic table which takes the English letter H as its main letter. Different single sounds can be formed with the English letter H. And that is what we're going to see, and what the arrangement of these single sounds are in the alphabetic table. Now first, let's see what English letters the 7 columns of this alphabetic table take with them as their main letters. The first column takes the English letters A and E, which are read as A and A respectively as its main letters. The second column takes the English letter U, which is read as U. The third one takes the letter I, and it is read as E. The fourth takes the letter A, and it is read as A. The fifth column takes the letter E, and it is read as A. The sixth takes the letter I, and it is read as E. The seventh and the last one takes the English letter O, and it is read as O. Pay attention to the sounds the letters in each of the columns make. It is either A, U, E, A, E, O, or A, U, E, A, E, O. So basically, the letters the columns of the Amharic alphabetic table take with them are the English vowel letters. Now, when we form the single sound in this row, which takes the English letter H as its main letter, we just combine the letter H with the letters that are in each of the columns together and make the single sounds. In the first column, we make the sound Ha when we combine the letters H and A together. Now here, in the first column, there are two main letters, A and E. And we have one rule to follow which letter to use when forming single sounds in this column. And this rule only works for the English letter H. The letter H, being a main letter in the rows of this alphabetic table, goes with both the letters A and E in the first column to form different single sounds. The other main letters in the rows go with the letter E in the first column to form their first single sound in the table. In the second column, the sound Hu is made when the letters H and U are combined. So by using this method, we make the rest sounds he, ha, he, and ho until the seventh column. So this is how single sounds are formed, and these single sounds have single Amharic letters or characters representing them. Now I want you guys to comment down below what would the 7 single sounds be if we took the English letter L as our main letter in one row. Use the same method we used with the English letter H to form the single sounds. Now that we saw the formation of single sounds, let's see what English letters the rest of the rows in this table take with them as their main letters. So we said there are 34 rows in the Amharic alphabetic table. From these rows, 20 of them take the English consonant letters except the letters C and X and the vowel letter A as their main letters. The other 5 rows take a combined English letters as their main letters, and these combined letters are SH, CH, ZH, GN, and TS, and they are read as sh, ch, j, ny, and ts, respectively. The other 3 rows in this table take letters from the above categories, but the letters are read in a different way, in a stressed way. And these letters are T, P, and the combined letter CH. And the way these letters are read is T, P, and Ch, respectively. And the letter Q, having its own row in the table, is also read in a stressed way as T. The last 6 rows take the same letters from the above categories as well, and they are read in the same way with them. The only difference is that the Amharic letters or characters given for the same sounds they make are different. So this means some same single sounds have different Amharic letters or characters representing them. And the English letters under this category are the letter A, the combined letter TS or T, the letter S, and the letter H. The letter A is taken as main letter in 2 rows, having different Amharic letters or characters representing the same single sounds it forms. Same with the combined letter TS and the letter S. They both are taken in 2 rows as main letters with different Amharic letter or character representing the same single sounds they form. And finally, the letter H. The letter H is taken as main letter in 4 rows having different Amharic letters or characters representing the same single sounds it forms. Now here, with the English letter H being a main letter in more than 1 rows, could form a couple of different single sounds in the first column as we tried to see earlier. So out of the 4 H's in the rows, 3 of them go with the letter A in the first column, and the remaining 1 of them goes with the letter E to form their single sounds in the first column. And that makes the 34 rows in the table. To finalize our lesson in this video, the English letters that are taken in the rows and columns of the Amharic alphabetic table are needed to make single sounds. And for those single sounds, there are a corresponding Amharic letters or characters representing them. And that is what we'll be learning in the next video. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope everything is clear. Until the next video, you take care and have a great time.